Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we've got another exciting NFT project for you called CryptoGang. This project goes beyond the metaverse and is looking to get into charities, an apparel line, a jewelry line, as well as a comic book and movie. We will be doing a deep dive into the project. We'll go through their website, their social media, and also their white paper. And then we'll let you know what we think about this project overall. Now, before we get started, I do need to let you know that I am not a financial advisor, so anything that I do say in this video is my own personal opinion. And if you are interested in this project or any NFT project, make sure you do your own research and your own due diligence and never invest more than you are willing to lose. Starting out here on their homepage, the first thing you'll notice is there is 19 days until the public minting is live, so I just wanted to point that out before we move forward. And moving down the page here, you'll notice it says on December 28th, the minting of 147 copies of their first part of the animated series sold out in 12 minutes. I thought that was pretty amazing and I wanted to highlight that. And starting out, it says, the CryptoGang is an assembly of 10,000 uniquely generated NFTs that project the entire crypto world. 10 gangs are going to be released, each embodying the top 10 cryptocurrency communities in circulation today. Each exclusive gang will embody the traits of the respective nation they represent. Show your allegiance to your favorite project and rep your crypto gang. Moving down here, they do give you some of the examples of the 10 clans that are going to be released, and you'll definitely notice that they're modeled after the people that represent the coin or the project. I think they did an amazing job with these. Some of them are so spot on, it's great. And next, moving down to their roadmap here, in phase 1, which will be the pre-launch, which happened November 1st, soft marketing campaign began. Tens of thousands of giveaways and airdrops were completed. They released their first animated short series on December 10th, and next will be to release their NFT theme song and music video. Now moving into February of 2022, on the 2nd is going to be their official minting date. Next, they look to release a CryptoGang clothing line and jewelry line as well, and also release their first comic book to all CryptoGang holders. And next, I don't think they're tied to a timeline specifically, but they've got a batch of rewards distributed to the CryptoGang NFT holders. In Q1 of 2022, they're going to launch their CryptoGang charity, which will launch its Haiti project. They will continue to release batch rewards to holders, and also continue to release CryptoGang animated series. And moving down next, we've got their team here. Each of the leadership team here is represented by their own NFT, and you can look into them more on their website if you would like. And that's really it about information on the website itself. The Discord houses a lot more information, and what we're going to do is look at their white paper next, which has a lot of details in it, and we'll go through and summarize that. Now, taking a look at the first section here, it says the first release of CryptoGangs will include an assortment of 10,000 2D highly collectible stylized members, all belonging to a specific gang. There are 10 gangs in total, each representing one of the top cryptocurrencies in the world. Although each clique may have different values and ways of operating, they realize that they all have one common goal. Join CryptoGang and watch them work together in real time to help make the world a better place for us, the people. They do note here, you must understand that CryptoGang is not just your average NFT project. The CryptoGang brand aims to tie together real-world perks to its NFT holders, such as staking, rewards, apparel line, and being part of a community that takes the majority of its proceeds to fixing ongoing global issues. If you take a look around, a true crypto community that you can rep proudly is still non-existent. We are here to change that and become the first to do so. This is just the beginning of a true social club that will be enjoyed for generations to come. And this is an ongoing theme with this project. They do look to change kind of the norm of NFT launches and NFT projects as a whole. They've got their foundation of the NFT, but they also highlight the charities that they're going to donate to and that they want to become a community and keep this an ongoing project that isn't just about money for themselves, it's for other causes. Alright, we'll move on to their building value section. When creating a project such as CryptoGang, it is our responsibility to continue to build value to our investors, as well as our community members. We will do this in 3 ways. Now, the first way will be through staking, and they are going to release a comic book 1 month after the CryptoGang minting date, and all holders will get one of the comic books, and they can choose to hold that or sell it at a later date. They are going to release 12 that each holder will be able to obtain, and they are also going to release 5,000 copies of each comic to help grow the rest of the community. And now every Crypto Gang NFT sale will have 8% tax on it for rewards, meaning they're going to hold 8% for the community, and all 8% of that is going to go back into the community. 4% is going to be redistributed amongst all the Crypto Gang holders. From that specific amount, 3% will evenly be deposited amongst all Crypto Gang owners as well. The remaining 1% will be given to 5 lucky winners. This allows Crypto Gang family to receive residual income on a monthly basis. This amount will continue to grow as the floor price steadily climbs. You will also get a chance to potentially earn a high amount of Solana if you are one of the 5 lucky winners to be chosen that month. And the remaining 2% of the monthly rewards and 30% of our monthly comic book sales will be used to give back to those in need through our Crypto Gang nonprofit. Whatever amount of SOL is generated that month from the 2% in rewards and comic book sales will publicly be posted on our website. We will then show how every single dollar is spent down to the penny. And as mentioned earlier, our goal here at Crypto Gang is to make the world a better place collectively as a unit. So as the rewards and sales come in, we will make sure to do that exactly. The second part of building value is the remaining 2% of the monthly rewards and 10% of our monthly comic book sales will be used to buy up the floor price of the Crypto Gang NFT project. We will then send those NFTs to a select wallet where they will be burned to create scarcity. This will cause a shock in supply, raising the floor price and appreciating the value of our Crypto Gang NFTs. And next, about ownership. Here at Crypto Gang, we believe in breaking bread and promoting our most loyal members and ranks. What we mean by this is upgrading certain G-stars to business partner. With that said, if you own an original Crypto Gang NFT and collect all 12 comic books, then you will become a part owner in the entire Crypto Gang umbrella company. This means you own shares in the NFT collection, clothing line, jewelry line, movie, and any other business we decide to open under the Crypto Gang brand. We appreciate you guys writing for us and want to reward you for believing in us. We will be giving up a total of 5% of our entire corporation and splitting it evenly with whomever owns an original NFT and all 12 comic books. If you have multiple collections, then those will count as more shares in the company. And for their brand overview here, they say, "We are a culture established in 2016 dedicated to spreading the crypto gospel to the masses. We are a family, community, and movement that came about to stimulate growth together as a unit. There are no secrets here. You can only become part of the gang if you are truly willing to share any information that helps other fellow members grow, not only financially, but most importantly, with knowledge. There is no minimum amount of crypto that you must own to join. However, you must without a doubt fully believe in blockchain technology and understand that it is here to stay. As the community grows, more lives will change for the better, and mass adoption will be reached quicker. This is the same mindset being applied to our NFT project, in which we will use our profits to better our world through our Crypto Gang charity. We will show that although we may be from different regions and have different beliefs, we all have the same common goal." And the first round of these are called G-Stars, and it says a G-Star is one of 10,000 uniquely generated NFTs that embody the reality of the current world today. Each belongs to one of the global crypto gangs and may just resemble someone you recognize. And here it goes down through the 10 gang leaders of these, which will be kind of the 10 main variations of this project. And it says these OGs provide the G-Stars with leadership and expertise to change the global financial system and bring the power back to the people. And you can go down through here. First, you've got Master Satoshi for Bitcoin, Dr. Contracts for Ethereum, Big C for Cardano, Mr. Chang, Binance, BG Money for Ripple, and the rest here you can go down through and take a look at. Again, I think they did an amazing job with these. And coming down to the Crypto Gang charity that they are starting, their first goal here, to summarize it, will be for Haiti, and they're going to move beyond that. I think they're going to let the community steer this from here, but if you want to get more information on the specifics of what they're going to do for the charity, check out their white paper. It is available on their website. So moving down here to the Crypto Gang Challenge, this is going to be a challenge that will have a positive impact on the world itself. And they summarize that here by saying the Crypto Gang Challenge will consist of doing an act of kindness or an actual project to better our world through profits made from cryptocurrency. This will spark a snowball effect that will bring so much good to people in need, while at the same time bring an immense amount of new members to our Crypto Gang. I think the intentions behind this are great. I really like that they're doing taken this and they've integrated this into their brand, and I'm very interested to see where this goes beyond this. Moving down next, for the social community, it says they want to become a leading brand and bring the Crypto Gang brand to mainstream. I think they have a plan on this, but they don't go into it in too much detail. I think they are still working this one out, but it is in their white paper, so I am glad that they have this goal and they are being transparent about that. Next, it goes into a little bit more on their vision of the Crypto Gang apparel line and jewelry line, and they do wish to bring this to the public to get attention to help grow their brand and their membership. And a little bit more detail on their social club, they wish to implement a VIP membership and just use this social club as a whole to help spread good in the world and help grow their membership. Next, they go into a little bit more detail on their comic book series and their movie. You can read more about that on their white paper. Just note that the limited edition graphic novel IAMCRYPTOGANG was released on December 30th of 2021. And they finally end their white paper with their current team. And next we are going to move on to their social media, starting with Twitter. And taking a look here, they do have about 10,000 followers currently, and they are pretty active. I would say they post every other day, sometimes every day. It just depends on what they're doing for a contest or if they are interacting with another project. They are active on here, and the major updates do get posted on Twitter, so definitely follow them and check that out. The main source of information for this one is definitely going to be on their Discord, and we are going to check that now. The community itself is extremely active, so if you're interested in this, join up, start chatting. It is a great group of people, and they'll answer any questions that you have if you put them in chat, or you can just interact and talk with people. Another section you want to check out is the sneak peek. They do have the episode 1 of the birth of Crypto Gang on here, so if you want to check that out on your own, you can. And the next section that I wanted to highlight was their giveaway section. This is constantly active. They're giving away things almost daily, if not multiple times a day. So if you are interested in the project, get in their Discord, watch the giveaways section, and I think it's one of the best parts of it besides the community is the giveaways, because they are great rewards, great giveaways, and they happen a lot. So in closing here with Crypto Gang, I do think that they have an amazing project here. I love their vision, I love their goals, and I like that they're not just there for money. There is an aspect of giving back to the community, donating to charity, and helping the world as a whole, and plus with their overall goal of the community itself to just help build itself, like empower everybody in there with the knowledge. I think it's amazing. But do let us know what you guys think about this project. Do you like it? Are you interested in it? Have you already invested? Or maybe you think it's just going to fail and it's a big money grab. Either way, we would love to interact with you in the comments below, so let us know what you think. Now, if there is another project out there that you would like us to cover, let us know. We'll make a video on it and let you know what we think about the project. And thank you for watching. Like this video and subscribe for more NFT projects like this, and we will see you in the next video.